I've been there, struggling with expensive subscription fees just to get my speech turned into text. It was frustrating and I knew there had to be a better way. That's when I found this free amazing software. Today I'm going to show you how to install it and use it lifetime for free. Let's go. So after digging the internet, I found this project on GitHub. Okay, the project name is Buzz, so I need to install it on Windows. If you scroll a bit, you'll see Windows part. So in here it says download and run the exe file from the release page. So I open the release page, I scroll a bit and find this Windows exe, windows.exe, executable. Okay, I need to download this one. The size of it is near 2 GB. If you are using other operating systems like Mac OS, I don't know, PyPL and even Linux, you can install this software. Okay, here it says that install it. If you have NVIDIA GPUs, you need to install these two parts, but my GPU is AMD. Okay, dude, download is finished. I just double click on it. In this part, I select install for all users. It means that if anyone has an account on this PC, he can use this software too. If you don't like it, you can press on install for me only. I click the first one, so next, create a shortcut is a good option, next, install. So I need to wait. It just takes lots of time to install it, and I open my task manager and see, boom, 100% usage of my SSD. Okay, the C drive, I mean. Installation done, so if I press on this finish, the Buzz app will launch. It'll look like this. If I press on the plus, I can find an audio. Okay, this one has an audio. So I can choose the model, Whisper, I don't know, OpenAI Whisper, I don't change it. The task is transcribe, okay, I need transcribe. Language, it says detect language, so I need to find the language of this voice. This voice is in English, it's Persian, so I need to find Persian in this model, Polish, Persian, okay. And I need SRT export, okay, so it can give me the time, and I will enable word level timings. Let's press on the advanced. On the advanced part, I didn't get anything, so forget about it. And I hit and run. Oh my god, it will start downloading the model and install it on my PC. So it takes up to 53 an hour. Okay, it takes an hour. Okay, my internet connection is pretty low, so I need to wait until this download finish. Okay, I didn't do it. In here, I choose the version into tiny. So let's try this tiny one, and after that, if I didn't get any good result, I will change it into another thing and wait for the download finish. It's in progress. Okay, let's see our task manager. My CPU usage is on 100%, and this is the CPU model that I have. So it used my CPU power to transcribe and give me the result. Okay, this one is completed, so I just double click on it and I will see it like this. So I press on the export and export it as SRT. Okay, I will save it in here. I press on the view and press on view text. Oh my god, what the heck is this one? Nothing sounds good. It doesn't mean anything. So as you know, tiny version failed, so I take a screenshot and give it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT create a list and tell me the size of each model. Okay, the lang model that we need to download. The speed of my internet connection is equal to a snail, so I need to cut the video, and after the download finish, resume it. ChatGPT tells me the large V3 turbo one is the best one, so I will select that one and start downloading it. Okay, the download finished and it automatically start creating the file for me, and the progress is on 83%. My CPU usage is at 100%. I need to wait and see the result. It takes 7 minutes to complete. I double click on it and press on the view and text. This result is really better than the previous one, but that is not as good as the thing that I imagined, okay, because some parts of it, they are confusing, okay. And in here, as an example, in Persian, it says that توی سایت ایرانی هم که شما میخواید دانلود کنید, and English means if you want to download this from Persian websites. After that, I see a word that I don't even know what it is in English. نکنید. It doesn't mean, okay, so that's not good. I think the problem is if you are using other languages than English, okay, your mother tongue is in our language, it might got some problems and you need to manually check it. But that one is good. So I will export it as an SRT version. Okay, this software is really useful, and if you want, you can use it to transcribe the English files and test it in your mother tongue language, okay? Because I don't understand any languages than English and Persian, I don't test it with other languages. So if you want, that's a cool option. For now, I'm just going to give Buzz one English audio file. So I will find it. Okay, and press on run. The file is about 8 minutes, so let's see what Buzz will do for us. After 9 minutes, Buzz create our SRT file. So I just double click on it and go to view part, view as text. I did a mistake. I didn't change language to English. I need to do it again. Okay, this one completed in about 3 minutes. So let's see what Whisper did for us. I go to view text. Okay, it sounds that it did a good job. This one needs to be Fido, not Fido. Also, it sounds good. I can manually check it and finalize it. It did a great job. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. You can also see this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how to become master of using ChatGPT. See you there.